to today's class, and today we are going to be interacting on a wonderful topic. You are greatly welcome to today's class, and today we are going to be interacting on a very great topic, which is counting in base 2. Counting in base 2. Now, the first thing you have to take note of in this topic is the process of counting in base 2 has to do with binary counting system. Binary counting system. That's the first thing to take note of. And under this binary counting system, binary has to do with 0 and 1. So anything that does not work with 0 and 1 is not the binary counting system. It's another form of counting system. So you ask yourself, does the binary counting system or the system I'm using work with binary counting system? So this comes or brings up another aspect, which is what is denary? We have denary or decimal. Denary or decimal system. Now, under the denary system of counting, this is the one that now deals with base 10. Base 10 has to do with denary counting system. Base 2 has to do with binary counting system, which is 0 and 1. Denary and decimal system has to do with base 10, which is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is denary or decimal counting system. Now, the next thing is what do you mean by denary? What do you mean by decimal? How can I apply this? And this now brings me to the main topic of discussion for today, which is counting in base 2. Counting in base 2. Now I'm going to write 1 to 10 on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the board. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to work with 1 first. You draw something like this. You write 1, then you write 2. So because we are working with base 2, 2 will have to be here. So if we are working with base 3, 3 will be here. We're working with base 4, 4 will be here. We're working with base 5, 5 will be here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how it's going to be there as well too. So now, can 2 go into 1? No, 2 cannot go into 1. So to be 0, remainder 1. And the next thing is, whenever you are counting in base 2, it goes up like this. So you are going to count it as 1 base 2 or 1, 2. So what we have here is 1 base 2. The next one is we have 2. Let's check out 2. So 2 into 2 is 1, remainder 0. We'll still have 1 here, so we'll write 2 again. 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. So this implies that when we divide through 2, we have 10 base 2. But no, you cannot say 10 base 2. It is 10 base 2. I did that on purpose, so you take note that whenever you are going to be working with the binary counting system, you don't say 100, you say 100. If you want to say 1000, you say 1000. So 2 is 10 base 2. If we are dealing with 3 now, 3, 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. So this, if you take it up, it's going to give you 1, 1 base 2. So 3 is 1, 1 base 2. Then for 4, we have 2 into 4 is 2, remainder 0. 2 into 2 is 1, remainder 0. 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. If you take it up, it will give us 100 base 2. 100 base 2. The next one we have 5. So let's check out 5. For 5, 2 into 5 is 2, remainder 1. 2 into 2 is 1, remainder 0. 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. So if you take it up, it is 1, 0, 1 base 2. So 5 will become 1, 0, 1 base 2. Or 6. 2 into 6 is 3, remainder 0. 2 into 1, 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. Take it up, it becomes 1, 1, 0 base 2. So that means 6 is 1, 1, 0 base 2. 6 is 1, 1, 0 base 2. So meaning we are going to do this to 10. Let's see what we can get when we get to 10. See, we can get something unique out of that. So take note, it's not really difficult, it's very simple, but we have to ensure that we work on it very well. So the next one, work with 7. 2 into 7 is 3, remainder 1. 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. So meaning that 7 is 1, 1, 1 base 2. 1, 1, 1 base 2. For 8, we have 2 into 8 is 4, remainder 0. 2 into 4 is 2, remainder 0. 2 into 2 is 1, remainder 0. 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. So this will give us 1, 0, 0, 0 base 2. So 1, 0, 0, 0 base 2. Here we have 9. 2 into 9 is 4, remainder 1. 2 into 4 is 2, remainder 0. 2 into 2 is 1, remainder 0. 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. So meaning that we have 1, 0, 0, 1 base 2. 1, 0, 0, 1 base 2. And we have the last one where we have 10. 2 into 10 is 5, remainder 0. 2 into 5 is 2, remainder 1. 2 into 2 is 1, remainder 0. And 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1, which gives us 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2. 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2. So for all my students, take note that we are now going to group this where we say 1 is 1 base 2. 1 is 1 base 2. 2 is 10. Sorry, 2 is not 10 base 2. 2 is 1, 0 base 2. 3 is 1, 1 base 2. So let's say together, 1 is 1 base 2. 2 is 1, 0 base 2. 3 is 1, 1 base 2. 4 is 1, 0, 0 base 2. 5 is 1, 0, 1 base 2. 6 is 1, 1, 0 base 2. 7 is 1, 1, 1 base 2. 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0 base 2. 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1 base 2. 10 is 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2. So 1 is 1 base 2. 2 is 1, 0 base 2. 3 is 1, 1 base 2. 4 is 1, 0, 0 base 2. 5 is 1, 0, 1 base 2. 6, 1, 1, 0 base 2. 7, 1, 1, 1 base 2. 8, 1, 0, 0, 0 base 2. 9, 1, 0, 0, 1 base 2. And 10 is 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2. So I'll say it one last time. 1 is 1 base 2. 2 is 1, 0 base 2. 3 is 1, 1 base 2. 4 is 1, 0, 0 base 2. 5 is 1, 0, 1 base 2. 6, 1, 1, 0 base 2. 7, 1, 1, 1 base 2. 8, 1, 0, 0, 0 base 2. 9, 1, 0, 0, 1 base 2. Then 10 is 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2. So take note of these valid points for counting base 2. Now the next step is when it comes to adding in base 2. That is where some challenges come into play. So we are going to work with certain things, certain numbers now. Maybe you are giving, I would add 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0. That is question 1. The next question we have 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0. So maybe the next question can be 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 1. Then another question can be 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, minus, let's put 1, 0, 0 for this. So the first thing is, whenever you are adding 1 and 0, it gives you 1. So take note that 1 plus 0 will give you 1. 1 plus 1 will give you 10. 1 plus 0 will give you 1. 1 plus 1 will give you 10. So take note of this. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give you 11. But take note that we are not saying that 1 plus 1 is 10. No, we are saying 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, 1. Take note. So we are going to state it very clear to you all that this we are working with now, you know that this 3 is 1, 1, 1. Take note. So that's why we're having 1, 1 here. So in this case, we are adding 0 plus 0. This gives us 0. But here we are adding 1 plus 1, and I said 1 plus 1 gives us 10. So we'll write 0, then we'll carry 1 here. So meaning that if you carry 1 here, 1 plus 0 is 1. But 1 plus 1 is what? 10. So you write 0, then you carry 1. Now you come again. 1 plus 1 is what? 10. So you come in and write 1, 0, 10. So I come again. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 10. Put down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Or 1 plus 1 is 10. Put down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. In this case, we have 1 plus 0, which is 1. 1 plus 1, which is 10. Then 1 plus 1, which is 10. So then in this case, we have 1 plus 0, which is 1. You know, I said 1 plus 1 gave us 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So you add 1, you carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 10, plus 1, 11. So you write 1, and you carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 10, plus 1, 11, plus 1, which is 10. Then in this case, where you are subtracting, 1 minus 0 will give you 1. 1 minus 0 will give you 1. But if you are subtracting 10 from 1, it will give you 1. Because you know that if 1 plus 1 equal to 10, so if you now take this 1 here, it will be 1 equal to 10 minus 1. So meaning that 10 minus 1 will give you 1. So take note. So whenever you are adding, 1 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. 0 plus 0 is 0. So that is a major point to take note of whenever you are dealing with base 2. Major point. Take note of this whenever you are adding and whenever you are subtracting. Hope this helps you in one way or the other. Then finally, how to convert from base 2 to base 10. Very valid point as well too. How to convert from base 2 to base 10. So for those that want to learn about this, want to know how to do this, it's also very simple, because I said 1 is 1 base 2, 2 is 1 0 base 2, 3 is 1 1 base 2, 4 is 1 0 0 base 2, 5 is 1 0 1 base 2, 6 is 1 1 0 base 2, 7 is 1 1 1 base 2, 8 is 1 0 0 0 base 2, 9 is 1 0 0 1 base 2, 10 is 1 0 1 0 base 2. So now if you are going to convert 1 0 1 0, let's work 1 0 1 0 base 2. Now, like I always tell people, ensure you focus on the base. You know the base. When you know the base, every other thing comes in place. So we're going to check out the base. What we have here is 2. So meaning that we are working with base 2. Now whenever you are going to be converting to base 10, we are going to do it this way. This 0 will carry 0. The next part will carry 1. The next one will carry 2. The last one will carry 3. So if, for example, you have to take note that they have a place value. They have a place value or a power. So this is 0, 1, 2, and 3. So as you go forward, the number increases. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this case, we are going to have 1 times the power. We are going to work with the base now. 1 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 0. So like I said, 1 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 0. So now we are going to check 2 raised to power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. So what's 2 times 2? 4. 4 times 2, 8. Plus, now we have 0 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 1. Because let me 3 raised to power 0 is 1. So we have 8 plus 2. You know this is 0. So what is 8 plus 2? 10. Which is here. Being able to get our 10 back. So let's check 1, 1, 1, 1 is 2 and see what we get out of this. This will be 0, this will be 1, 2, and 3. So we are going to write 1 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 2 times 2, 4. 2. And what we have here is 1. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14 plus 1, which is 15. So meaning that 1, 1, 1, 1 is 2 is 15 is 10. This is 10 is 10. So let's take note of this, that we can actually convert from base 2. So we learned how to convert from base 10 to base 2. And we learned how to convert from base 2 to base 10. Take note. And I will say it again, that whenever you are adding, understand that it's very much important to understand that 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 10, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11, and 0 plus 0 is 0. Take note of this valid point because it's going to be very helpful to you in the long run.